Hello my beauty queens, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be talking about the Patrick Ta for face. She left me on red. You know, he came out with some new blush duos, some new colors. So look at this. Oh my god, you guys, this is so, oh my god. So this is what I'm wearing on my face today. I didn't had it on more than 10-11 hours. I'm home from work. I put this on first thing when I got dressed this morning, which is maybe like 6:30. And yeah, so it probably been on for like 12 hours for now. But look at this. It haven't moved. It's very, very nice. Very, very pigmented. So yeah, she's on red. It does look a little scary. But when I say you need to go in with a very light hand, you need a very light hand. And so I have a couple, or a few, should I say, other red blushes. So I just wanted to compare them to Patrick Ta. She left me on red. It should have been, she set me on fire. Because that's what it looked like. You got set on fire. But anywho, I'm really loving this blush. I'm pretty sure everyone can use this blush. Because I had to go in with a lighter hand and I'm deeper skin. So if you're lighter, you really got to go in. You got to be like, tap, tap. But yeah, she left me on red. Very, very pretty. Fingerprint magnet, but nevertheless pretty. You have the cream. You have the powder. So that's what I have on my cheeks. I have the cream. I have the powder, and then I went over with the cream. So yeah, we're going to apply just a little more. I don't mind looking like a clown for you guys because I love you. I just want to put some more on just because it's just making me want to put more on because I'm looking at it. So yeah, so I'm going to go in with this powder first. This is so pigmented. Look at that. And I barely touched it. Barely. So, oh, look at that. But it's so beautiful. Like, oh my goodness. Scary and beautiful. All at the same damn time. Look at that. Oh my God. This blush is so beautiful. We're going to go on the other side. Just tap, tap. This should last you forever because all you have to do is barely tap it and you getting the pigment. So I'm going to just blend a little bit. And then if you go in too heavy-handed, you can always go in like with your foundation brush and stuff like that and like blend it out. Or your powder brush and blend it out. But for the sake of this video, I want it built all the way up so you could get the full effect. And you see how pigmented it got, like you could already see it. But now look at it. And all I did was barely tap it. And I put a little bit on my nose. Look at that. And then as far as the cream, the little flap, I just take my finger like this. And all you need is a little bit to give you a nice little glow. So out of the blushes he released, I picked up 2. If you happen to miss my video on the other one that I picked up, I will link it down below. But look how beautiful this is. This is so beautiful. Do the other side. Look at this. Creamy, beautiful. Yep, I would have named it Set Her on Fire. Or Set a Fire or whatever. But yeah, look at this. Alright, so I'm just going to wipe my finger off because I don't want to mix no colors. And I have 3 blushes here that I wanted to compare it to. So yeah, let's get started. Jump on it, jump on it, jump on it, jump on it. Alright. Make sure my hand's nice and clean and dry. Alright, so the first one, we're going to go in with She Left Me on Fire by Patrick Ta. So I'm going to swatch these first. So the cream. I'm going to make sure you guys see it. And the powder. Oh my God, that powder is woo. That cream kind of like toned it down a little bit. So look at this. Look at this. So this is She Left Me on Fire by Patrick Ta. This is the powder. This is the cream. So when you put this cream on there, it kind of like tone it down a little bit. Because, oh my goodness. Look at this. This is very beautiful. And this can work for any and every skin tone. But like I said, if you light, you need to just dot. Not like this. Don't go like this. It's going to be too much. You got to dot. If you lighter than me, because Patrick Ta wasn't playing when he said she left me on red. Because I would have been like, she set me on fire. But yeah. And then on my hand. So the cream and the powder. So these 2 right here. Patrick Ta, she left me on red. Alright, so another blush that I had, this is an oldie but a goodie, and it made me break this palette out because I haven't used it in a while. This is my MAC palette. Who remember these? Oh my God, I used to love this palette, and I haven't used it in so long. So looking through my collection trying to find a red blush, it made me pull this out, and guess where this is going? On my vanity. But with that being said, so the color by MAC I want to compare it to was the shade Devil. But looking at Devil, it's like a little more orange. It don't look as deep, but we're going to just swatch it anyway. And just because I had this palette open, you guys, I haven't used these in so long. So I'm going to just name these colors off to you. Devil, Azalea. Oh my God, I used to be in love with these. Salsa Rose, Burnt Pepper, Warm Light, highlight under my eyes, and Rhubarb. Oh my God, this palette was to die for, you guys. I use these blushes all the time, and I just forgot. But anywho, back on track. So this is the shade Devil right here by MAC. So I'm going to swatch that by the powder. By Patrick Ta powder. Yeah, it's a lot more orangey. So this is Devil by MAC. So you can see it have nothing on She Left Me on red. This is She Left Me on fire. But yeah, so this is Devil by MAC. So yeah, that's very different. Very, very different. Then we have Nars. You already knew this was going to be in here. Then we have Nars Exhibit A. Old packaging, old school. My top broke. So this is Nars Exhibit A. We're going to just swatch that one. So Nars Exhibit A. MAC Devil. Patrick Ta, She Left Me on red. So yeah, them is all three of those is different. If you put them on the cheeks, I don't know if you'll be able to tell them apart, but on my hand, they're very, very different. And then I got one cream. I got one cream by Chanel. And this is called, wipe my nails, white polish and the blush getting on them. I don't want it to stain them, so I gotta wipe it right away. Sorry about that. So, okay, so yeah, so this is the Chanel. What is this? This is, the writing is very little. Let me get my magnifying glass. This is Red Camellia. So this is Red Camellia by Chanel. And this is a cream blush. So we're going to swatch this one by She Left Me on Red by Patrick Ta. And I'm going to just swipe. Swipe that one right here. Okay, so this is Red Camellia by Chanel. And then this is She Left Me on Red by Patrick Ta. So this one is a little more redder. As you can see, this one have a more orange undertone. So yeah, I'm happy I picked up this blush. It's very, very nice. So I don't have a crap load of these kind of blushes, but you can see I do have a few. And so yeah, so once again, MAC Red, I was going to say Red Devil. I'm making up names. So MAC Devil. MAC Devil right here. Nars Exhibit A. And that's right here. So Devil, Nars Exhibit A. This one right here, Red Camellia by Chanel. And then these two right here is by Patrick Ta. So Patrick Ta, Cream Powder, MAC Devil, Nars Exhibit A, Chanel, Red Camellia. So yeah. Yeah, so you let your girl know what you think. Do you have any of these blushes in your collection? Let your girl know. Did you pick up She Left Me on Red? I almost wasn't able to get it. I went to one store. They were sold out. And I checked a couple other Sephora's, close to my house. And they had it, so I ordered online, picked up in store. So I'm super happy that I picked this up. Like I said, it's very, very beautiful. She left me on red. She set me on fire. So yeah, let your girl know. These are the shades right here. And yeah, I'm super happy to add this to my collection. I'm blinding you, huh? Let me hold it the other way. And if you missed my review and tutorial on the other Patrick Ta blush that I purchased, I will link that down below. That one was a new release as well. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, tap that notification bell. Check out my YouTube community tab and on my other social sites. Stay safe, stay well. Kisses. Peace out.